Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable disappearing messages on the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the chats icon down below in the left side corner and click on your initials in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on settings, which is the second option. Then scroll down and tap on privacy. Here you have the fourth option, which is disappearing messages. Here you can set a default disappearing message timer for all new chats started by you. So tap on the disappearing messages bar, and here you can set the time ranging from 4 weeks. You have 1 week, 1 day, 8 hours, 1 hour, 5 minutes, or 30 seconds, or you can also customize the time by clicking on the custom time button, and here you can customize it, then tap on set. As you can see, when it is enabled, new messages sent and received in new conversations started by you will disappear after they have been seen. So that's it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.